Running Stripe for payments and QuickBooks for accounting? Then you know the drill. Copy, paste, fix, repeat. It's fine at 10 orders. At 100, fees go missing, refunds don't tie out, payout dates don't match sales dates, and duplicate customers creep in. Reconciliation stretches into hours, and one bad mapping can throw off the month. Connect PayTraQer to stop the manual work. It brings Stripe charges, refunds, fees, expenses, and payouts into QuickBooks automatically. You choose how sales post, map items and accounts, set tax rules, and route deposits to the right bank. It can sync past transactions and open invoices, run on a schedule, and you can undo a sync if needed. You get clean numbers in QuickBooks that match Stripe to the penny. First, log into your QuickBooks Online company. From the left menu, open Apps. In the search bar, type PayTraQer. Click Get App Now and follow the prompts to install. QuickBooks will take you into PayTraQer to complete a short setup. You have two options of sync mode. Sync mode, choose how you want data to post. If you want fewer entries and faster reconciliation, pick Consolidated Sync, also called Sales Summary. If you need customer and item detail in QuickBooks, pick Itemized Sync, also called Individual. When you are ready, click Get Started. Inside PayTraQer, open Connectors. Then Payment Connectors Add New and choose Stripe. If you are the admin of Stripe, click Connect. If you are not an admin, click Invite Admin or Client. Choose Stripe, then Get Invite Link. Send that link to the account admin or client. The link is valid for 48 hours. Click Connect and you will be redirected to Stripe. Log in, choose the correct Stripe account, and click Connect to authorize PayTraQer. You will return to PayTraQer to finish a few settings. Choose whether to process payouts or settlements. Select the settlement bank account from QuickBooks. Click Save Settings. You're connected. Click Download Transactions. PayTraQer downloads the last 60 days of Stripe transactions. Quick note, PayTraQer only downloads completed Stripe transactions. Those are the ones you can sync to QuickBooks. You can override tax before syncing if needed. Open the Transactions tab. This is where you review what was downloaded and decide what to sync. You will see 5 views. Review shows transactions that are ready to post. Click a row to check the customer, accounts, items, and tax. Edit here if needed, then click Sync. Synced shows everything that has been pushed to QuickBooks so you can confirm what posted. Error lists any transactions that failed to sync. Open one to see the reason, fix it, and sync again. Ignore holds anything you chose to skip, and you can restore from here if you change your mind. Sync History is a full log of what synced and when. You also have AutoSync. It is off by default. Turn it on when you are happy with your mapping and tax rules. With AutoSync on, PayTraQer will download new Stripe transactions and sync them to QuickBooks at regular intervals. For your first run, keep it off while you review a few entries, then switch it on to keep things flowing. If you need older data, use Download Historical Transactions. Click Download Historical Transactions, choose the start date and end date you need, and click Download. Those transactions will appear in review so you can check and sync them. Now we are going to see how to sync Stripe transactions QuickBooks Online. If Stripe invoice for $200, open the transaction and check the customer, item, tax, and date. Click Sync. If the sync is successful, PayTraQer creates a QuickBooks invoice. Open it in QuickBooks, send it to the customer, and collect the payment. The record moves to Synced. If Stripe expense for $0.80, open the transaction and confirm the expense account, payee, and tax if needed. Click Sync. If the sync is successful, PayTraQer creates a QuickBooks expense for $0.80, You will find it in Synced, ready for reconciliation. If anything fails, it appears in Error. Open it, read the reason, fix the fields, and try Sync again. If you found this video useful, start your 15-day free trial of PayTraQer using the link in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more QuickBooks automation guides and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next walkthrough.